Don't pack your suitcase yet. Summer 2025 must-haves? You're about to see everything. Let's start with outfits. This summer's wardrobe is all about easy, breezy, and just a little extra. Think linen sets that feel like air, flowy dresses with just the right swish, and mini skirts that make you feel like the main character. Color-wise, it's giving butter yellow, icy blue, sage green, and yes, cherry red is back in the mix. It's soft, it's clean, but it still turns heads. Because 2025 isn't about loud trends, it's about quiet confidence. Now let's talk bikinis. Metallics are in, subtle, shimmery, and so flattering in the sun. 3D florals are blooming everywhere, especially on bikini tops and sarongs. Your beach bag should have a silky pareo, a pair of oversized sunnies, a shell anklet, and that one piece that makes you feel so you. This summer, your beach look should feel effortless, but curated. Skincare time, because yes, we are glowing this summer. Start with a glow stick SPF for that no makeup do. Then add a layer of bronzing drops to fake a sun-kissed tan before you even hit the beach. SPF mists are a must. Refreshing, easy, and cute enough to leave out. Your skin should feel hydrated, light, and radiant, like vacation in a bottle. Tiny things, big impact. Mini perfumes that live in your tote, lip oils that double as gloss, pastel scrunchies, gold hoops, and that claw clip you reach for every day. These are your everyday accessories elevated. Tiny details, major impact. Shoes? We're packing smart. Comfy but cute slides for exploring, cherry red sandals for pop, and yes, mini cowboy boots are still having a moment. Add a little shell anklet or toe ring if you're feeling extra. It's summer, why not? Packing cubes are life. Everything's folded, color-coded, and aesthetically flawless. Sort by vibe, beachwear, night out, cozy airport look. Add one backup outfit that makes you feel amazing, just in case. Zip it all up and smile. The hard part's done. Now picture this. Iced matcha in one hand, passport in the other, playlist full of soft summer beats. You're walking through the terminal or down a cute coastal street. You're not just traveling, you're the aesthetic. And just like that, she's ready. Everything she needs packed with intention. Her outfits, styled. Her skin, glowing. Her energy, untouchable. This is your sign to romanticize everything this season. Zip it, slay it, and let Hot Girl Summer officially begin.